When you first open the ICTP app, we will present you with any nearby locations that fit inside the search circle. If you drag to move around the map, more locations will appear. Yellow locations have items, and red locations have none of the items. Items that ICTP facilitate include toilet paper, mask, sanitizer, lysol wipes, water, rice, ramen, and milk. When you tap on a yellow location, you will see what has been reported at that location. This one only has toilet paper and water. If you'd like to filter or search for particular items, you can tap on the three lines in the top bar to select what you'd like to filter for. My filter was only showing toilet paper. Now I'm going to look for every item. A lot more locations have popped up. The app will remember what you filter for between sessions, so next time you open the app, you may see more or less locations than expected. Always make sure your filter settings are correct before looking for new items. When you have found a location that has what you're looking for, you can tap on the map icon or the arrow icon to be given directions to that location. If you get to a location and you notice that it has items that aren't listed in the app, or it has items listed in the app that aren't actually at the location, you can edit the location by tapping on the pencil icon in the top left. This location didn't have mask, but it did have sanitizer and lysol wipes, so I'm going to update it. You can do this for locations that don't have any items or red locations as well. In fact, this location doesn't have any of these items. If you see a location that isn't valid or shouldn't be in the app, you can tap on the flag icon in the top left to report the location. Choose an email app. We will get your email, we will research the location, and then remove it from the app if necessary. If you'd like to add a location to the map, you can tap on the plus icon in the top bar. This will clear the map and give you a yellow map icon. Drag the icon to your location or the location of the store you would like to add, and then tap on it. Now you can choose what the location has in stock.